Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is UNESCO Learning City status. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, Warangal, Telangana, Nilambur and Thrissur, Kerala have joined the UNESCO Global Network of Learning Cities, that is GNLC. Now moving on to the key points. The three towns joined the GNLC by promoting lifelong learning among its people. These towns have become the first Indian towns to attain the UNESCO recognition. Talking about Nilambur, it is also known as Land of Teak. Nilambur is a major ecotourism destination in Kerala. Nilambur aims to promote sustainable development, gender equality, inclusivity, and democracy through community ownership. It also aims to ensure employment opportunities and UN Sustainable Development Goal 2, that is zero hunger. Next is Thrissur. It is also known as the cultural capital of Kerala. As a member of the UNESCO GNLC, Thrissur will aim to provide solutions and ideas on issues related to equitable access to learning. It will also contribute to other cities in building digital learning ecosystems and sustainable development. And Warangal. Warangal has a rich cultural heritage. The city promotes equity and inclusion, for which it has implemented several strategies, including women and child welfare policy, etc. Now let's discuss what is GNLC, that is Global Network of Learning Cities. The UNESCO GNLC is an international network consisting of cities that successfully promote lifelong learning across their communities. It has 294 cities in 76 countries that share inspiration, know-how, and best practice among each other. It is coordinated by the UNESCO Institute for Lifelong Learning, or UIL. The network has member cities which supports in aspects like promoting policy dialogue and peer learning, documenting effective strategies and best practice, building partnerships, capacity development, and more. Now let's understand what is a learning city. According to UNESCO, a learning city is one that effectively mobilizes its resources in every sector to promote inclusive learning from basic to higher education, revitalizes learning in families and communities, facilitates learning for and in the workplace, extends the use of modern learning technologies, enhances quality and excellence in learning, and fosters a culture of learning throughout life. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Global Network of Learning Cities, or GNLC. 1. It is coordinated by the UNESCO Institute for Lifelong Learning, or UIL. 2. The network has member cities which it supports in aspects like promoting policy dialogue and peer learning, building partnerships, etc. Which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.